Want to make chai tea from scratch?
I love chai tea.
What did you just say?
Chai tea? Chai means tea, bro. You're saying tea. Would I ask you for a coffee with room for cream?
No.
Technically, it's just chai. Or if you want to get specific, masala chai. And I will show you how to make it from scratch. In a pan, you're going to add your whole spices. Pause for the exact measurements. You need star anise, black peppercorns, fennel seeds, cardamom pods, cinnamon, and finally cloves. Toast them dry just until they're fragrant. Don't burn them. Then transfer everything to a mortar and pestle. Add some fresh ginger and grind it all into a coarse aromatic paste. Now bring a pot of water to a boil. Once it's bubbling, add in that spice and ginger mix. Simmer gently 7 to 10 minutes to infuse. Add black tea. Simmer another 3 to 5 minutes. The more black tea you add, the stronger the color. Add milk plus sweetener. Bring to a gentle rolling boil, then reduce to a simmer for 5 more minutes. At this point, pay close attention. Once the milk goes in, it can boil over quickly if you're not watching. Once it's rich and aromatic, strain it. If the chai tastes flat, don't add more spice. Just a little more sugar can unlock the flavor. Optional. Aerate by pouring between pots a few times for creaminess and froth. Serve it hot and enjoy.